This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Location, floor plan, condition, it's all here in lovely lake-centered Raintree. Sellers love it, but it's time to move. Low maintenance brick exterior west/new windows and tankless hot water. Open flow between living, dining, kitchen and casual eating. Primary suite plus 2 more BRs plus second bath down. Entry hall, laundry and powder room complete the first floor. Upstairs, playroom, 4th bedroom, 3rd bath, plus bonus room, great for private office. Super usable wood fenced rear yard with decorative accent lighting. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.